Hey, this is from the trade yesterday. I want you to see, like, that's where it's at now. Same trade that was $5 in profit yesterday. Now look at it. So I want to show you what we were looking at and what we saw. Just changing the chart setting so you can see it candlestick. See that? I think we got in 7166. Oops, that is the Australian. Wrong dollar. Australian US. You see that drop? See, that's what we like. 7166 right in this area. And you see how far it's dropped. So let's look at, I trade from the day chart. So let's expand and give it the proper look and what we were looking at. You see the drop. I said we get in around here. I got in at I got in around here, somewhere around here. When I saw what made me get in was I saw this, boom, this candle, and this candle. I knew it was going to come down in this candle. That's what we call a triple top. So I knew it was going to come down. And that's what it's doing now. And it's going to come down some more. Okay, when we're in this position, because like I was telling you before, this is the trading zone right there. This is the trading zone. So now it's come down. And to look at this trade where we're at, that is your first area of take profit where it is now. So I would uh, take some profit off the table. Show you how to manage your trade. It's pretty much had its run, so let's take half the profit off the table. Okay, now let's move the stop loss down out of high order. It is at 71, what, 71.26. So it's 40 pips. Let's do it at 71, 56. And we'll keep running it from there. Now we have a stop loss in 71.56. So if it reverses, we're still in profit. It'll just take us out. But if it continues to go down, which what we expect it to do, at least hit this area here. This looks like a good support here. And we're in a winning trade. So we're comfortable. We got it protected. It goes against us. We lose a little bit of money, but you know, we save we save some profit. And probably move it a little lower just in case. Make it 50, 71, 50. So now we save some profit. We're in, and that's it. That's the way to trade. It was a great trade from yesterday. Um, and we're in. So I just want to close this. I want you to understand that this is what we're going to be doing with the new company that I'm with, teaching people how to trade. And also you have a trading robot. Just found out we got a great trading robot for people with small accounts. So we're just going to really take it by storm, but you will learn how to trade. You will learn how to do some things so you can make a whole lot of money trading. So that's what we're doing. So this is Dwayne Mooney, and we will talk soon.